Hi guys, I wanted to get on here and go over the slope formula. I know I made a video based on how to find the slope given a graph, so I'm going to go through and I'm going to do one finding the slope given 2 points. So remember our formula is m equals, remember we have up here, if we look, we have y2, so I'm going to take y2 minus the y1, and then on the bottom, we're going to do x2 minus x1. Okay, so that's the formula we're going to use to solve these equations. I'm just going to go over two of them and then see if you guys can go from there. If you need more, I can always make more and send another video kind of going through and demonstrating them. So if I have my formula, remember I always started off with m equals, and it's something minus something. That's kind of how I went about describing it to you guys when we went over in class. Okay, so I'm going to take my y2, so in this case it's 3, minus my y1, which is 1. Okay, so that's the top. That's what I did. Let me see. That's this part right here. Okay, y2 minus y1. So there's my y1, or my y2, and there's my y1. Okay, so that's how I did that one. And then we're going to do the bottom. So I have 4 is my x2, okay? And then 1 is my x, okay? So now you need to go through and you just need to do the math. So on the top, if I do 3 minus 1, that gives me 2, and 4 minus 1 gives me 3. Okay, hold on. That turned out not as I wanted. Okay, so 4 minus 3 or 4 minus 1 gives you 3. So then this would be the slope given those 2 points. Okay, I'll go through and do number 2, and then I will upload this for you guys so you have it. Okay, so again, you're going to take y2, so in this case it's negative 2 minus y1, which is 4. Okay, and then I'm going to take my x2 minus my x1. So in this case I have a double negative. Okay, remember double negatives turn to positives. Okay, so don't forget that either. So then I have negative 2 minus 4, which gives you negative 6. And then 10 plus 2 gives you 12. And then you can reduce this fraction. So these both can be divided by 6. Okay, so they're both divisible by 6. If you wanted to just type it in a calculator or whatnot, you could do that as well. Okay, so when I do that, that would give you negative 1 over 2. And then that would be your answer for that slope. All right, so if you have any questions, let me know. That's how you find the slope when given 2 points.